If you love Oriental soup, come with us as we transport you to the Far East with our Shanghai Soup. Now on Cooking with Kooks.
Yo, my name is No Hurry Murray. I'm an out-of-work gangster. I drove the getaway car. When I joined the mob, there were several career paths that I could have taken. I could have been a grave digger. I could have been a contract man. And the grave diggers are very professional and good at their jobs. This is why you could never find Jimmy Hoffa, because they're very good with camouflage. And I didn't want to be a grave digger because I didn't want to get my hands dirty. And I didn't want to be a contract man because I don't like guns. They make a lot of noise. They smell bad. You know, you pull the trigger and there's smoke, and you get hit by a bullet, then it's rather uncomfortable. So I didn't want to be a contract man. So I drove the getaway car, and I drive the speed limit. Many mob bosses are very concerned with traffic safety. They want to get back to the hideout in one piece, and they consider rush hour traffic to be much more hazardous than being apprehended by the police. So it takes special skill in order to avoid the police driving the speed limit. You got to know where all the alleyways are. Tunnels are very handy because they're dark. And if you can parallel park rapidly, they'll just pass you by and they'll never be the wiser. So my boss, he got arrested for jaywalking. The police stopped him. There was a warrant out for his arrest, and that was the end of him. It's just one of those tragedies you can't do anything about. What do I do now?
You're supposed to introduce the show and introduce me.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, I forgot. Who are you?
I am Dr. Bill Sherwin, and today we're going to make Shanghai Soup.
How can you be a doctor if all you make is soup?
No, you don't understand. I'm a gastroenterologist specializing in appetizers.
Gas? I never needed no doctor for no gas. All I had to do was just belch and it was all taken care of.
No, you don't understand. I'm a gastroenterologist and I have insight into your digestive tract.
You've been inside my digestive tract? How did that happen without me noticing?
No. You don't understand. We're going to make soup today. Are you ready?
Yeah, I guess so, but this job better be getting better really fast or else I'm gonna go drive a taxi.
Shanghai Soup is a Far East themed soup that combines the best of Chinese flavors updated to Western standards. A savory appetizer or main course, it includes chicken, mushrooms, ginger, bok choy, spinach, mandarin juice, butter, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. This soup can be scaled up for larger quantities and easily portioned, stored, and even frozen for meals throughout the week. First, the ginger juice. Peel the ginger root and soak in water for 12 to 24 hours. The saturated ginger is then microplaned and placed into cheesecloth for straining to produce ginger juice. Prepare the stock pot on medium heat. Add the vegetable oil, then the garlic. Add the chicken. Once the chicken is thoroughly cooked, add the rice wine, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Bring to a simmer and add the mandarin juice, then the butter, and the mandarin zest. Add the red pepper flakes and salt and pepper, then the ginger juice. Now the vegetables: celery, mushrooms, red pepper, carrots, and scallions. Thoroughly cook these veggies. Then add the chicken stock. Cover for a few minutes to combine flavors. Add the cornstarch slurry. Now add the green veggies at the end. Broccoli, bok choy, and spinach. Give it a stir until finished. And here is the finished product.
Doc, I take back everything I said about you. This is very professional soup.
Yeah, I told you I knew what I was doing. Well, that's all for today. Join us again for more culinary excellence. I am Dr. Bill Sherwin for Cooking with Kooks.